Incoming call. I've put it on screen. There is a call for you. Do you wish to ignore? This call might be important. I've pushed the call to voicemail. Incoming email. Incoming email. Excuse me, there is a message for you. Please excuse the interruption, but you have a new voice message. Please excuse the interruption, but you have a new voice message. I apologize for the disturbance, but it's time for you to wake up. I'm afraid your time to rest is at an end. I must insist that you wake up. Maybe you should have chosen a later time because clearly you don't want to get up.